Today, we'll demonstrate an installation of our SD premium units. To begin, remove the existing outdoor and indoor unit. Before installing the Raton air handler, be sure to measure and verify if additional ductwork has to be added or removed in order to fit it properly in place. For ease of transportation, remove the evaporator coil before moving the air handler into place. Carefully move the air handler and install the evaporator coil back again. In this particular situation, additional ductwork had to be installed on top of the air handler. This step can be skipped if the previous air handler was about equal in size. The outdoor unit is placed on a concrete pad for stability. Take the copper lines and solder them to the exits of the unit. Afterwards, connect the power cables from the power source, then to the outdoor unit. The same will be done on the signal cables from the indoor unit. Once the copper lines are successfully connected, use a manifold to check for leaks and then return the refrigerant. When the outdoor unit is properly installed, secure it on the concrete pad to avoid any shifting due to weather conditions. Install the thermostat with the signal cables coming from the indoor unit. Here we see the copper lines properly installed on the air handler. Now we see the air handler properly installed with the thermostat. This installation used a smart thermostat, but any standard thermostat will work. Lastly, the outdoor unit is secured and ready for use. Thanks to ATEC Services Inc. for their cooperation with installing this unit. Additional information can be found on our website at airconint.com. Thank you for watching.